Namaste. October 2021 was a momentous month for JSW Paints. It was for the first time that your company crossed 100 crores of revenue in a single month. This makes JSW Paints one of the top 6 paint companies in India in record time. I don't think any other paint company has grown this fast and has made such a big impact in the world. We have started our journey less than 2 years ago, and within 100 weeks, we have crossed 100 crores of revenue in a single month. Industrial did fantastically well. We have become the largest player in coil coatings in the entire country. We command more than 60% market share. And not only that, we have developed new products. We've developed products like anti-dust, we've developed products like high gloss, and we've developed products that work at a line speed of 200 meters per minute, making us the first global paint company to offer this solution to our sister concern, JSW Steel Coated. Whenever I speak to my father, whenever I speak to anybody at JSW Steel Coated, they are not only amazed at the way in which JSW Paints has scaled, but they are absolutely thrilled at the progress we have made, and with the ability of our products, they have been able to differentiate their product offerings to their customers, hence increasing their market share. I must compliment the entire Vasan team, the entire R&D team, the sales and marketing team for a stupendous achievement in industrial to make us the leading player in this segment in the country. I just recently spent a few days in Nagpur and had the opportunity to visit the retail market in Nagpur and see the decorative side of things. Decorative too had its highest ever sales in the month of October. We have now become a pan-India player, and the team under the guidance of Sundareshan and Srivatsan and the rest of the team has done a phenomenal job in scaling up across the country. We crossed 45 crores of revenue in a single month in October, making it a very, very historic month for us. Team, the journey is very, very long, and we have just about started our journey. Each one of you has made JSW Paints a household name across each and every state of India, and I have no doubt that this company is going to grow from strength to strength. Over the last few weeks, Sundar and I have been discussing how to scale up this company, how to grow this business, and we are certain that we need many more manufacturing units. We just saw land in Nagpur for our second decorative and industrial line. We are seeing land in Haryana, we are seeing land in Bengal, and we have plans to become a multi-location paint company of the future. Team, none of this would have been possible without your hard work, and that is why we are rewarding each one of you with the employee stock option plan, with the ESOP plan, which we are calling Kshitij, which will make each one of you not just employees but also owners of JSW Paints. I want all of you to stay with this company till you retire. I want all of you to grow this company and make this the biggest company in the JSW group and one of the largest companies in India. And I want all of you to be a part of the ownership structure of this company. And that's why, for the first time in the paint industry, each and every employee of JSW Paints is going to be an owner and is going to be a part of Kshitij, which is our employee stock option plan.
Hi everybody, Namaste. I'm delighted to be talking to you as we build this thoughtful company. October 2021 has been a landmark month. You all know we are the fastest growing paint company, but October 2021 made us the fastest paint company to do 100 crores in a month. This is a never done before act by any paint company, and I'm delighted that this has been made possible by the hard work which each one in the company has put, the kind of support that we have got from our associates, from our vendors, from our retailers, from our contractors. It's been amazing. JSW Paints has led with product innovations and very thoughtful disruptions like Any Color, One Price, all of which has been extremely well received across the country. And our customers are liking each and every step that we take, and they're wanting more. All this has been possible because this young under 30 team has put in 100% to make this happen. And what better way to appreciate and acknowledge the efforts of the team than by the company awarding and announcing Kshitij ESOP plan, which encourages the startup mindset in each one in the company and makes them own each and everything that we do in this company for what we have done so far and what we are going to do going forward. I am confident and sure that we as a team will truly build a paint company of the future. This moment has happened around Diwali this year, and it is going to make each one of us feel proud and continue our journey to make this world more colorful and beautiful.
Hi, at JSW Paints, we are in this journey of creating the paint company of the future. How do we go about doing this? Basically, we need to take care of the key entities, comprising of consumers, contractors, and the retailers. For the consumers, we have 1,808 ways of delighting them. For the contractors, JSW Paints is the only company which is providing them with human-to-human connect through our Buddy Assist system, Buddy Assist program, and also we are in the journey of professionalizing them and thereby contributing to their profession in a very significant manner. For the retailers, we bring in the products which are best in class. Our business provides them with the best returns, and we are striving our best to provide them with the best in service. It is this journey that is going to help us to create the paint company of the future. I am happy to be a part of 100 on 100.
Servicing is a vital link in our business model. We identified cities which are strategic in nature to establish our footprint in the market we wanted to expand. Proper phasing of each of the location based on the parameters like manning, season, etc. has helped us ramp up things faster. We created a pipeline of strong CFA transport partners, primarily from the same states, who had the established network of manpower and fleets. This has ensured that we are on track as per the plan. We opened around 37 hubs on an average, 6 hubs every month this financial year. The facilities which have been established will give us a crucial edge in the market. We commit same-day delivery for the orders up to 4:30 p.m. for local and for next day for upcountry retailers. Happy to be part of 100 on 100 sales milestone.
Being a thoughtful paint company, JSW Paints understands the market requirements carefully and offers unique products, ensuring higher coverage and consistent quality, backed by unmatchable technical support to the customers. JSW Paints collaboratively work with customers to offer innovative products and specifically address consumer needs, while ensuring sustainable coating performance. We are servicing large-scale requirements in a very agile manner, focusing to optimize inventories at our end as well as customers' end. JSW Paints is consciously working to develop sustainable products and business practices like recycling of used barrels and deployment of bulkers to supply paints. And JSW Paints has pioneered these initiatives in India, helping reduce scrap and carbon footprints. Happy to be a part of 100 on 100 journey.
From inception, JSW Paints has been on a mission to inspire beautiful thoughts, and this is reflected in every action of ours. From our eco-friendly, all-water based range of products to our carefully curated 1808 shades of colors inspired by India, our aim has always been to make India think beautiful. To help establish this message, we signed two thought-provoking young superstars in Alia Bhatt and Ayushmann Khurrana as our brand ambassadors and have since executed campaigns across multiple media: TV, print, outdoor, digital. Our product line has been built thoughtfully on three pillars of simple, swift and sure. We aim to help our consumers make their product and color choice with confidence. Our colorful and thoughtful advertising campaigns focus on beautiful thoughts leading to beautiful actions. From our very first launch campaign, Har Rang Har Kisi Ka, to our Independence Day, The Colors of India video, we have kept the focus on creating beauty through thoughts. In another first, through our association with Delhi Capitals in the IPL, JSW Paints designed a special colorful jersey that was worn by the players and created widespread awareness for the brand. In recognition of a historical performance at this year's Olympics, JSW Paints launched the Sundar Bharat initiative, where every athlete who represented India at the Olympics could avail of free paints as a token of our appreciation for their contribution to our motherland. Through all our campaigns and initiatives, we have shown that JSW Paints is a daring young brand that is unafraid of challenging the status quo and doing things that were never done before in the paint industry. Our story has only just begun, and I'm very proud to be part of the 100 on 100 journey.
There are a lot of new products introduced in the recent past, both in decorative and industrial section. In decorative, we have introduced waterproofing range, high sheen variant in Aurus and Pixa. In Aurus, we have introduced Aurus Luster and Aurus Ceiling Paint. Pixa Joy Primer. In Aqua Glow Satin, we have introduced direct shades. In industrial sector as well, there are a lot of new innovative products introduced. We have introduced high gloss variant in coil coating, cool roof products, anti-dust and antimicrobial products. For the first time in India, we have introduced product for world's high-speed line, which is running at 200 meters per minute in the first attempt. There are a lot of innovative products which are coming in. This is just a glimpse.
We have fully automated water-based decorative paints plant with an installed capacity of 1 lakh kiloliter per annum, which is expandable to 2 lakh kiloliter per annum. The plant is a state-of-art, environment-friendly manufacturing facility with zero liquid discharge capability. Further, our plant is a flexible plant which can produce smaller batch sizes and also can produce factory-made shades. We have installed best-in-class systems across the plant for material handling, production, storage, DCS, and for fire safety and environment protection. The plant is equipped to store and to supply the field warehouses across India, aimed at optimizing field stocks and having capability to handle demand fluctuations. We are committed to service customer needs. We rallied to keep the plant operations even during the pandemic. Our plant service level is always 99% plus. Our product's quality has been acknowledged by the market. I am happy to be part of the 100 on 100 journey.
Yeah, hi, this is Saurabh Singh, heading the washing plant operations of industrial business. So in this financial year 21-22, mid Corona second wave, the plant has revamped the operations from 1400 KL per month to the 2900 KL per month, which is the record volume and which is the industry highest number, and which also puts us in the league of fastest revamp in the industry. And since not only this, with the customer serviceability point of view, operations team has come up with the new philosophy of the Project 7, where we will be delivering the products within 7 days of time, which is also at par with our competitors. Now, since this business is growing, it's very also important, like you should implement the system, and operations team has come up with the new one step ahead with the implementation of IMS certification in the safety, quality and EHS standards, which is also latest as per industry, and we are committed to improve upon. Happy to be 100 on 100 journey.
For a company like JSW Paints, hitting 100 crores in 100 weeks is a significant achievement. We commenced our business in April 19 and we have had two impacts of COVID. We had the first wave in March 2020. Again, Q1 of this financial year, it was again impacted. In spite of all of that, we have hit 100 crores in the month of October, and it's really a great achievement for the whole team. We can be really proud of that. Industrial business have been doing extremely well. We are on course to hit maybe more than 600 crores this year, and as a group, we should be hitting 1,000 crores this year. Industrial business has got into protective coatings, decorative after South and West. And this year we have gone to North and East. We are pretty much there across the country. And this team, I'm sure, is going to achieve a lot more of, I would say, milestones. And it's all thanks to the whole team here. We'll be doing a lot more. Thank you.
From 30 herbs during Diwali 2020 to 64 herbs in Diwali 2021, distribution planning at JSW has evolved by leaps and bounds. Last year, same time, we were a company with little more than a year of operations and present only in the South and West markets. The learning curve was limited and predicting sales was a huge challenge. COVID uncertainties added to the challenges of maintaining healthy service levels. Our distribution planning systems are based on a pull-based system, and we have achieved 99% service levels for fast-moving SKUs. And by Q4 of 2021, we aim to achieve the same in medium and slow-moving SKUs also. The COVID second wave led us to crash all the lead times and launch hubs back-to-back in a very short period of time. 20 hubs were stocked up in a span of 2 to 3 months amid ramping up of production in preparation for the season 2021. Colorants play a very important role in achieving sales. Supplies grew from 15 KL last year to around 45 KL in October 21 with zero stockout of colorants across 64 hubs. Finished goods movement from the plant to hubs was ensured more in 19, 24 and 29 metric tons as against 9 metric tons so as to reduce the cost rupees per KL of the transportation cost. This has helped us to offset the increase in transportation cost to a very large extent. Last year has been full of challenges and the entire team has come up to the mark to deliver volumes. Happy to be a part of 100 on 100 journey.
The Kshitij ESOP 2021 plan by JSW Paints recognizes the efforts made by each of our employees in achieving the rupees 100 crore monthly sales milestone within 100 weeks of business operations. It also empowers them to create value by participating in the company's equity and meaningfully contributing to the future growth of the business. We are granting these stock options to all our employees across rank and file. I am happy to be part of the 100 on 100 journey.